Hey everyone! Sometimes Instagram music doesn't show up or won't play on your stories, reels, or posts. And here's how you can fix it. First, you need to make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Then here, go to your phone settings and click apps. And then here, go to the apps management and find the Instagram. Then click the storage and clear the cache. Then after that, you can check your account type. Business accounts often have a limited music options, so try switching to your personal or creator account. Then, if the music is still missing, log out and log back in to your Instagram account. And as the last option, you can reinstall the app to refresh everything. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Instagram music problems, whatever it's in your stories, reels, or posts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.